Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Outlook for AI email follow-up automation step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type outlook.com into the address bar. Press the enter key. Look for the sign in button on the right side of the page. Click on the sign in button. Enter your email address in the provided field. Click the next button. Type your password in the password field. If you want Outlook to remember your password, check the Keep Me Signed In box. Click the Sign In button. You will be directed to your Outlook inbox. Once you are logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. Click on View All Outlook Settings. Navigate to the Mail section. Select Rules from the menu. Click on Add New Rule. Name your rule in the provided box. Choose the conditions for your rule based on your email preferences. Set the actions you want the rule to perform. Click Save to activate your new rule. Now, you can automate follow-up emails based on your specified criteria. Make sure to test the rule to ensure it's working as intended. Return to your inbox to manage any new emails easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.